Hey there, I'm Danny with the Helcim Team, and today I'm going to walk you through invoicing. To get started from your dashboard, click Invoicing on the left-hand side. From the top right, click on New Invoice. First, we can select the type of invoice we wish to create. Next, we can add our invoice number. And if we don't have an invoice number, we can leave that section blank and the system will auto-generate a number for us. Next, we can edit the status of our invoice. And if we click on the details of our invoice, from here we can edit the date in which the invoice was issued on, the date it was paid on, any payment terms, or if there's a purchase order number. From here we can also add custom fields. Next, we'll go ahead and add our customer. We can either add a new customer or select from our list of saved customers. To change a customer's billing or shipping info, we can go ahead and click on our customer and make our edits if needed. To change a customer's billing or shipping info, we can go ahead and click on our customer and make our edits if needed. Next, we'll add our items. We can add items by the item name or the item SKU. If we wish to change the quantity of the item, click on the quantity and make your edits. To add an additional item, click on Add Line and repeat the process. If you wish to discount your single items, click on Add Discount. You can discount an item using a discount code that you may have already created, or by manually discounting the item. You can discount the item by using a percentage or a dollar amount. Next, we can go ahead and enter our comments. If we wish to discount our entire invoice, we can do so by clicking on Discount Entire Invoice. To add a shipping method, click here and add your shipping method and any costs that may be associated with it. Next, we can add our taxes. Taxes can be set by the customer's location, or they can be manually added. When we're finished creating our invoice, we can go ahead and click on Overview. When you click on Overview, you'll now have some additional items. You can add notes to your invoice. You can also click on the 3 dots and make this note public so your customer can view it. If this invoice happens to be a recurring invoice and you wanted to view the transaction history, you can do so by clicking on View Recurring History. To send our invoice, we can go ahead and select the invoice from our invoice list. And under Actions, we'll have options to make the invoice recurring, to process the payment, to duplicate the invoice, to send an email copy to the customer, or to send a due reminder to the customer. This will bring a prompt that has an email template that you can send to your customer. This will include a button your customers can click and pay the invoice. The link your customers will receive is the same link that can be viewed if you click on View Online. From here, your customers can download a PDF version of the invoice, view any notes that are attached to the invoice, as well as pay the invoice. That's it. That's how to create and send a new invoice. In this video, we've shown you our new and improved mobile view and our new user interface. I'm Danny with the Helcim Team. Thanks for watching.